Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer money internationally with HSBC, wire guide step by step clearly. To transfer money internationally with HSBC, start by logging into your HSBC online banking account. Navigate to the Payments section on the main menu. Select International Payments to initiate the transfer process. Choose the account you want to send money from. Enter the recipient's details, including their name, address, and account number. Make sure to input the correct SWIFT or BIC code for the recipient's bank. Specify the amount you wish to send and select the currency. Review the transfer details to ensure all information is accurate. Add a reference for the transaction if needed, to help the recipient identify the payment. Choose your payment type, either sending the full amount or splitting the fees. Select the transfer speed you prefer, noting that faster options may incur additional fees. Confirm the exchange rate if you're converting currencies during the transfer. Read and agree to any terms and conditions related to the transaction. Click on the Submit button to process your transfer. You may need to go through additional security verification steps, like receiving a code via text or email. Once confirmed, you will receive a notification with the transaction details. Keep this information for your records, including the transaction reference number. Monitor the status of your transfer through your online banking dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.